I normally don't do unboxings on videos, but I'm pretty excited about the new AR-15. I can see why guys really love these things. They're like Lincoln Logs or Legos for adults. You can modify them any way you want, take things off, paint them, change them. And if you know anything about my videos and about me, I'm quite the tinkerer. I love to do things like this. So figured I'd do a couple unboxings here. I got a few parts off of online, and just thought I would open them up and see what we have. Figured we better get these parts now before the commie bastards take away all our rights. You know, because these accessories make this gun so much more dangerous. What I bought here is the quad rail ladder covers. Not too bad. Weaver style ladder covers. So I got 4 of those. And what I have here, I'm really excited about this item. ndzperformance.com. It's the dust cover with laser engraved pictures on it. So we'll open it up real quick. If I can get it out of the bag. Of course, nothing goes right on camera. There we go. And it's laser engraved on both sides. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. Don't tread on me with the American flag. And it's on both sides. Pretty cheap. Good quality. The laser engraving is really nice. Cost me $19 online. And again, that's ndzperformance.com. They have quite a few things for laser engraving. So I just thought I'd throw that out there and show you what I got for the AR. I'll be doing a couple more videos on the upgrades to the AR, and I'll show you the befores and afters. Thanks for watching. God bless and be safe.